Presenting the greatest toad in all the world.
Hooray for Toad!
Toad will now play the piano very well.
Frog, can you play the piano like this?
Oh, no.
Toad will now walk on a high wire and will not fall down.
Frog, can you do tricks like this?
No.
Toad will now dance, and he will be wonderful.
Frog, can you be as wonderful as this? Frog, where are you? Frog, what have I done?
The greatest toad will now...
Shut up! Frog, Frog, where have you gone? Come back, Frog. I'll be lonely. Come back. Oh, I'll be lonely, Frog. Come back. Frog, where are you?
I'm right here. Wake up, Toad.
Frog, is that really you?
Well, of course it's me.
And are you your own right size?
Yes, I think so.
Frog, I'm so glad that you came over.
I always do.